Get ready for a massive Pixel leak. We're diving deep into the world of Pixel phones with a never-before-seen look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This isn't just a rumor or a concept. It's a real device in someone's hands. Let's break down everything we know so far. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about the big picture. Google's Made by Google event is just around the corner on August 13th. We're expecting a full lineup of Pixel phones, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the highly anticipated Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google has already started dropping hints, but this leak takes it to a whole new level. A lucky YouTube subscriber in Ukraine got their hands on a design sample of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. While it's not fully functional, the video gives us an incredible look at the phone's design. Let's break it down. Design: the Pixel 9 Pro XL is a departure from previous models. Gone are the curved edges. We're looking at a flat edge design with rounded corners. It's a sleek look that's reminiscent of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but with a unique pixel twist. The camera bar is still prominent, but it's been refined and now cuts off before reaching the end of the device. Display: the bezels are impressively thin, even compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're talking about a near bezel-less experience. The rumored 6.8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate is going to be a visual treat. Other features: a temperature sensor is back, which is great news for those who love accurate measurements. We also caught a glimpse of the symmetrical bezels, a design choice that adds to the overall balance of the phone. Let's put the Pixel 9 Pro XL into perspective. Compared to the Pixel 6 Pro, the new model is a significant upgrade in terms of design and potentially display quality. When stacked against the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Pixel holds its own with a similar design language but a distinct camera module. And compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a cleaner, more minimalist aesthetic. Based on the leaks, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is packing some serious hardware. We're expecting a powerful Tensor G4 chip, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel telephoto lens. The front-facing camera is rumored to be a hopping 42-megapixel. These specs, combined with Google's computational photography magic, could result in some incredible image quality. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the Pixel lineup. With its sleek design, impressive specs, and Google's AI prowess, it has the potential to be a real game changer. We're eagerly anticipating the official launch on August 13th. Until then, let us know your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL in the comments below. Are you excited about this new device? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest Pixel news. Thanks for watching. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this: a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS. A dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Oryon cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.